Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, for this video, I will be showing you how to use double exposure effect on TikTok. Now to begin with, first of all, open your TikTok application. Tap open your TikTok app. Once you have opened your TikTok application, you can see at the bottom the create option. You tap on it. Now here what you can do is you can see at the bottom the 15 seconds and just beside that there's template option. You tap on it. Now here you will see options available for your TikTok videos. If you keep sliding over here, you're gonna see a double exposure effect. For that you need to upload one or two photos. You tap on select photos. Now here you need to select the pictures that you want to use for that effect. I'm gonna select these two pictures and then you tap on OK. And there you can see the double exposure effect has been correctly used. Now if you tap on next, your videos will be ready to upload. You can tap describe your videos, or you can write some hashtag, or you can even tag some friends over here, and you can tap on post and it is uploading, as you can see in the top of left side. And there you go, your video has been uploaded. There's a background music as well. I'll just hope this video was useful to you on how you can use double exposure effect in TikTok. Please like and subscribe our channel and do click in the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.